According to CEO and founder Dan Morehead of Pantera Capital, one of the largest cryptocurrency hedge funds believes that XRP, the digital asset, will be one of the top 10 blockchain networks 10 years from now. What's up guys, Kevin Cage here with another XRP update. Links in the video description and let's kick it off. Be sure to stick around until the end of this one, and I'll show you why I'm so confident looking at the XRP price chart. I posted Dan's quote here on Twitter, along with the actual video of Tony from Thinking Crypto in his interview last year, and with the timestamp at 2150 if you'd like to check it out for yourselves.
I see a world where we have 8 or 10 really important blockchains 10 years from now, and XRP is going to be one of them. And I don't have the view a lot of people do in our space where, again, it's almost like a religious thing. There's only one.
This has nothing to do with maximalism. Every single digital asset offers this world a different benefit. As we know, Pantera Capital is an investor early days into the company Ripple, along with the majority of assets today. Since 2013, they've backed over 80 blockchain companies and 65 early stage token deals. Of course, we see one of my favorites, API3, Blockfolio, Bitstamp, Bitso, Brave, Coinbase, CoinsPH, Filecoin, Injective, Polkadot, Polychain, Ripple, Veeam, Wire, and Zcash. And their Pantera Bitcoin fund is up over 58,000% since inception. This is the advantage of being a first mover in this space. Pantera's global macro strategy invested over $1 billion of institutional allocations, and they were actually the first blockchain hedge fund in the US. Now there's a few interesting stats here. They've realized $90 million on only 20 million of invested capital across 21 companies. Powerful stuff. And we can see that Pantera has led 50% of the 145 investments since 2013. So you can tell that they are not a copycat by any means. They are leading by example. Along with Polychain, Digital Currency Group, Andreessen Horowitz. So wanted to remind people the big names behind Ripple. And of course, Dan Morehead himself says that XRP, he believes, not financial advice, will be in the top 10 crypto networks that will be here 10 years from now. Why? Because he understands how strong of a foundation the XRP ledger already has with real clients today. And of course, the XRP ledger 2012, 2013, they have first mover advantage as well. And he's well aware of that. So love that quote, and feel free to check it out for yourselves. Tony, great guy. Got a good candid photo of Tony over here looking like a model. In other news, Polysign, the mother company of Standard Custody, is in fact hiring. And remember, the founder of Polysign is one of the creators of the XRP ledger itself, Arthur Brito, alongside with David Schwartz. And it looks like they have some open positions for some engineering roles in San Francisco, New York, and Nashville. Now we're going to discuss the Brazilian real. This is the BRL, the native currency of the country of Brazil, one of the BRICS nations. Extremely large ties with the company Ripple, meeting with the central bank last year, but check out what we recently found. I know Gimme Crypto mentioned this briefly, Brazil working with Ripple to build a prototype, and this is even shared by bostonfed.org. So the Federal Reserve Bank of Boston, I know we've seen documents at the Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis and even Chicago, and then we have a phenomenal researcher, Mr. Bedict. Dubai Economy and Al Ansari Exchange are cooperating to facilitate Brazilian real payment services. Al Ansari is actually a RippleNet partner. I wanted to lightly touch on this because if you guys have seen my previous Brazil videos, you just got excited. In other news, Swiss B2B bank Incor launches a new tokenization tool using Tezos. Tezos, of course, XTZ on CoinMarketCap, and this is Tezos. Also had an audit by QuantStamp QSP. Market cap well over $4 billion today, and ranked 36. So Incor Bank has also announced the upcoming launch of Tezos Custody, Staking, and Trading, targeting financial institutions. And this is going to happen for more and more assets one by one. Now, before going over the XRP price chart, I want to cover a few additional pieces. For anybody that's been here since 2017, we know what this looks like. XRP Shark going on to say, seeing a lot of people giving up on XRP, calling it a bad coin, flipping it to other coins right now, chasing gains. Those are the 2017 vibes, exactly what happened, and then XRP took us on the wildest ride ever seen in crypto. XRP Shark, giving up on it now is like quitting a marathon 3 kilometers before the finish line. And what is XRP Shark referring to? These parabolic moves for the XRP price chart in 2017. There was actually a series of 2 bull runs, but I really just consider this one of the same Bitcoin cycles. Following the typical stock to flow model using Bitcoin, XRP in the beginning of 2017 was well under a penny, approximately half a penny. It then took off all the way to about 40 cents. But notice during this first impulse, XRP made it here, followed by a 64% crash, pumped then well over 1000% right after, followed by another 60 to 70% crash, consolidating, only the takeoff essentially the same amount, well over 1000%. This is how the game is played, and what he's referring to is XRP is always the last, the historical data of XRP and its price chart. XRP is one of the last assets to move, and it didn't just happen once. We have data about this time and time again. So while all these assets are drawing, we have Ethereum shooting up, you have Bitcoin shooting up, maybe around the same time. You have some other alts shooting up here. XRP was just here, and then finally goes. And when it goes, it goes. And what happens is, people see an asset like ADA coming up here, and they're down, and we're here in XRP. And what they do is they go, oh man, it's up. I'm gonna sell my XRP to buy ADA at an all-time high price. Then XRP goes up, ADA maybe does a little retracement before going back up again, and then they buy XRP at an all-time high. And you do that a few times, and you are going to lose your entire net worth, or at least your investment portfolio. Don't chase gains, let them come to you. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's super quick video update. Be sure to like, subscribe, links are in the video description, and I will catch you in the next one.